How to fix iPhone microphone not working. So for that you have to watch this tutorial to the end of the video. So first of all you have to navigate to your iPhone setting here. Once you are on your iPhone setting, you have to scroll down. And here you have to just go for your privacy and security. And once you have been on your privacy and security, you have to scroll down and go for your microphone. And here on your microphone, you can see the app. So you have to enable this all app here. So if you are using your CapCode, Facebook, Emo, Messenger, etc., you have to enable the microphone for all the app permission here. Also, you have to navigate to your setting again. Once you are on your setting, you have to just go for your screen time. And here on your screen time, you have to scroll down and go for the content and privacy restriction. And here you have to scroll down and go for the microphone option. And here you have to just go for the allow changes option. So this way, you can fix your iPhone microphone. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.